Hi viewers, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today it's a taro fry recipe and let's see how to prepare it. Come, let's go to my kitchen. For making taro fry, I have boiled the taro yams, and now we'll see the masala. 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, little bit of turmeric powder and salt. And now I have sliced the taro yams, and we'll add a little bit of water and mix it. Mix the masala into a fine paste, all the dry ingredients. And now I am marinating the taro yam after mixing the masala, and let it stay for half an hour or 1 hour. After that we have to shallow fry it. I have poured 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, and now I am frying it, and I have to turn the side also and fry it. And for preparing it we need 1 big onion sliced, few coriander leaves, 3 green chilies cut into fine pieces and 2 tomatoes chopped, little bit of ginger garlic paste. I have switched the flame on, and now the vessel is hot, and I have added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I am adding half teaspoon of mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have spluttered, and I am adding onions, and let me stout the onion. Now I am adding curry leaves and stout them well. Also add the green chilies and stout them well. Here I am adding the ginger garlic paste, and now I will stout them well. Let the flame be low so that the ginger garlic paste does not stick to your vessel. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. This is the taro yam which I have fried, and now the onion is stouted. See how it is. And now we'll add tomato pieces and stout them well. Use the lid and cover it so that the tomatoes get cooked. Now we'll check whether the tomatoes are cooked. Yeah, the tomatoes are cooked well. And now we'll add a little bit of salt needed for this tomato and onion. Once again we'll cover it and cook it after adding the salt. Now the tomatoes are cooked well, and I am adding the coriander leaves and give it a good mix. Now I am adding the fried taro yam and give it a good mix. I hope so you guys love this recipe. If you like, comment and share it with your family and friends. Now cover it with a lid for a few seconds, and now the recipe is ready to serve. Serve with rice, hot rice and rasam or sambar. It's so fantastic, it's so delicious. You love to eat taro yam. If you want a little sour taste, you can add a little bit of soya sauce. I am adding the soya sauce. If not, you can eat it also without adding the soya sauce. Until next, take care. Bye bye.